Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, this is the muscular system, part 1. I have been divided into several parts because this chapter has many subtopics to cover. Okay, for the part 1, introduction of the muscles and the muscle tissue. We have three types of muscle. Skeletal muscle, which attach to the skeleton. Okay, skeleton means our bone. It's striated. Striated means jalur-jalur. Okay. Voluntary means we can do the movement by our own. Okay. We can control the movement. For cardiac muscle and smooth muscle, involuntary because we cannot control our heartbeat. Okay. Cardiac muscle only found at the heart, striated and branching. Smooth muscle, example, walls of hollow organs at our stomach, esophagus. Okay, non-striated. Non-striated means no, no striation, tiada jaluran. Smooth means licin lah. Alright. Okay, these are the example of the skeletal, cardiac and smooth muscle. You can see the location and also the shape and appearance. Okay, there are 4 functional characteristics. This is ciri-ciri. Characteristic means ciri-ciri of the muscle. We have excitability. The muscle must excited to receive and respond. Contractility, so our muscle have the ability to contract or shorten. Extensibility, ability to be stretched. Elasticity, ability to return to its original shape. Example like the rubber band. Okay, we can pull the rubber band and then it may back to its original shape. Okay, muscle function, there are 4. Produce movement, okay, maintain posture, stabilize joints, generate heat. Okay, this is the important part of the skeletal muscle. We start with the skeletal muscle first, the gross anatomy. Gross anatomy means the general anatomy, general structure of the skeletal muscle. Okay, the outside structure. So it has individual cell, we call as muscle fibers. Okay, and the muscle fibers can protected by 3 layered endomysium, perimysium, epimysium. Okay, now you can see here the epimysium is the outer layer. Okay, wrap the whole muscle, and then the perimysium is the second layer. Okay, it's wrapped the fascicle. This is the perimysium. Okay, fascicle means a bundle of muscle fiber. Okay, this is the second layer, and then endomysium. Okay, we pull one muscle fiber, so the endomysium wrap the muscle fiber. Means the endomysium is the innermost layer, yang paling dalam sekali. Okay, summary from that picture. Okay, the endomysium surrounds each muscle fiber. Perimysium, which is the second layer, it surrounds or wraps each fascicle. Fascicle is like the bundle of the muscle fiber. And the outer layer, which is the epimysium, encases or wrap the whole muscle. And also our muscles supplied by blood and arteries and also nerve. Okay, microscopic. Microscopic means the inside structure of the skeletal muscle. Okay, So we know the skeletal muscle fibers are long, striated, ada jalur, and multinucleate. Okay, multinucleate means it has several nucleus inside our muscle fiber. So myofibrils, inside our skeletal muscle, we have myofibrils are contractile elements. Okay, contractile means it can be shortened and lengthened. Okay. So it has banded appearance from alternation dark A and light I bands. Okay, it has band gelap cerah. Okay, dark A and light I bands. Why it becomes dark and light? Okay, I will explain it later. Okay, myofibrils are chains of sarcomere. Okay, sarcomere contains thick and thin myofilaments. Okay, this is one of the reasons why our myofibrils has the alternation dark A and light I bands. Okay. The heads of myosin molecules form cross bridges that interact with the thin filaments. Now we see the picture. Right, this is myofibril. Remember the muscle fiber. Okay, we take out one. So this is myofibril. Okay, this is muscle fiber. Okay, see here the dark A band, gelap ni cerah, ni gelap ni cerah. Okay, the gelap one is dark A band, cerah one is light I band. Okay, see here, ni gelap, ni cerah, kawasan yang tengah. Okay. Alright, this is one sarcomere. Sarcomere means from one Z disc, the zigzag disc to another zigzag disc. Okay, this is we call as one sarcomere. So there are thousands of sarcomere in the myofibril. Okay, and then it has millions of myofibrils inside our muscle fiber. Okay, please remember the microstructure of the skeletal muscle here. We have Z disc. Okay, so I band from here, from the end of the red line here to another red line. This is I band. Dia kawasan dia cerah sikit. And the dark A band here. Dark A band composed of the red line and blue line. Okay, what is red line and blue line? Red line is myosin. Here, this is myosin, which we have. You can see it has head. Okay, over there. And then the blue line we call as actin. Okay, actin. And then at the center of the A band, okay, between the Z disc, we have H zone, zone kawasan, and then the line of the H zone we call as N line. Now, we enlarge the picture of the myosin and actin. So this is thick filament, or we call as myosin, the red line just now. Okay. From here you can see myosin heads. It has two heads and tail. While for thin filament, the blue line here, okay, actually it has tropomyosin. Tropomyosin is the line, the orange line here, tropomyosin, that hold the troponin, the yellow dot here. Okay, so troponin is actually place that will attach with calcium later in sliding filament theory in muscle contraction. Okay, that one we save it for later. Now, actin. What is actin actually? The blue. Okay, the blue ball here. See actin? So actin, you can see it has the active site. Okay, active site that is now covered by tropomyosin. Now the tropomyosin is covered the active site. So this active site will attach with the myosin heads during muscle contraction. Okay, for now you just have to know about the structure only. Okay, in the next part, I will explain to you about the muscle contraction. Okay, another microscopic anatomy, it has SR, the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Okay, is a system of membranous globules surrounding each myofibril. So, the function of SR is to release and sequester. Sequester means it spread out the calcium ion. Okay. So T tubules, okay, is the invagination of the sarcolemma that run between the terminal cisternae of the SR. It is outside of the SR. Okay, you may see the picture here. Alright. So T tubule, where is T tubule? Here, this is T tubule. Okay, bentuk tiup tu. Okay, SR, where is SR? Ni, macam jaring ni, SR. Okay, so here SR is the place where it store the calcium and release the calcium into the T tubule, and T tubule go inside the muscle fiber.